Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all are good at home. Today we are doing sums in activity 5, fifth Roman. First, fifth Roman, find the HCF by long division method. Find the HCF by long division method. Here given first problem 30 and 42. In this problem we have to divide 42 by 30. 42, 30. So 130 is a 30. Then 2 minus 0 is 2 and 4 minus 3 is 1. This is our first remainder and this is our first divisor is 30. So now take first divisor 30 and divide by 12. So read the 12 table to get 30. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. 36 is more than 30, no? Take 2 times 12. 2 12s are 24. 30 minus 24. You cannot subtract 4 from 0. So borrow 1 from 3. This 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. Here we have 12 is the second divisor here and 6 is the second remainder. Now divide 12 by 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So where we get the remainder 0, that divisor is the HCF of the given two numbers. Therefore HCF of 30 and 42 is 6. This is our long division method. We have another problem, B problem, 84 and 144. Divide 144 by 84. 144 by 84. 184s are 84. 84 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 168 here. 2 times here take 84. So 168 is more than 144 now. So we are taking only one time. 184s are 84. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 is cannot subtract 8 from 4. So borrow 1 from 1. 1 will become 0. This 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. Now we get the remainder 60. This is our first remainder 60. Divide by first divisor 84. So 160 is a 60, 260 is a 120. 120 is more than 84 now, so we are taking only one time. 160 is a 60. 84 minus 60. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we get the second divisor is 60 and second remainder is 24. Now divide 60 by 24. 24 into 1 is 24. 24 into 2 is 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 48. So 2 times 24 is 48. 0 minus 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 0. So borrow 1 from 6. 6 will become 5. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is our third remainder. 24 is our third divisor. Now divide 24 by 12. Read the 12 table. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 2 12s are 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So we get the remainder 0. Then our HCF is 12. Therefore HCF of 84 and 144 is 12. This is long division method, children. If they given 3 numbers here. 430 problem here. 430, 516, 817. Here given 3 numbers. So divide. Here smallest number is 430, biggest number is 817. So divide 817 by 430. 430, 817. So 1 time 430 is 430. 2 times 2 into 430. 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. 860. So this is bigger than 870, no? So we are taking only 1 time 430. 1 into 430 is 430. 7 minus 0 is 7. 1 minus 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 1. So borrow 1 from 8. 8 will become 7. This 1 will become 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now here first remainder is 387 and the first divisor is 430. So divide first divisor by first remainder. So 430 divided by 387. 1 time. 1 into 387. 387. We cannot subtract 7 from 0. So borrow 1 from 3. This 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Again we cannot subtract 8 from 2. So borrow 1 from 4. 4 will become 3. This 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. We get the second remainder 43. Second divisor is 387. So now divide second divisor 387 by 43. Seven where we will get 9 times we will take 43 into 9. 9 3s are 27. 7 right, 2 carries. 9 4s are 36 plus 2 38. So 9 into 387. Sorry, 9 into 43 is 387. This 387 minus 387 is 0. So here HCF is 43. HCF of 430 and 817 is 43. Now divide this 516, we have another number. Divide 516 by 43. Okay. $43. Now 12 times we will take 12 into 43. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. 6, 3 plus 8 is 11, 1 carries, 1 plus 4 is 5, 516. 12 into 43 is 516. 516 minus 516 is 0. So, here HCF is 43. Therefore, HCF of 430 and 817 is 43, and HCF of 43 and 560 is, again we get the 43. HCF of 430, 817 and 516 is 43. This is long division methods, children. This is rough. This also rough. Okay. Sixth Roman. Find the HCF and LCM. So here given 87 and 145. So first take the prime factors of 87. 87 we can divide as, in ones place we have 7, no, it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 7, 27, 9s. 9 3s are 27. So 20, so it is 29 is a prime number, 1 into 29. Here we have 145. This, in ones place we have 5. So it is divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10. 4 remaining, 4 plus 4 5 45, 9 5s are 45. Again 29, take 1. So 87 is equal to 1 into 3 into 29. 145 is equal to 1 into 5 into 29. LCM. Here common, COMMON, common factors is equal to 1 and 29. So HCF is, highest common factor is 29. LCM is equal to, we are taking this 29 only one time and 1 is one time. So 1 into 3 into 5 into 29. 1 into 3 3 5s are 15. 15 into 29. 15 into 29. 5 9s 45. 5 into 1 into 9 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 2 5s 10. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 3 4. 435. HCF is 29 and LCM is 435. Okay. Now we have other problem. T problem. Find the HCF and LCM of 108, 144 and 60. This 108 we can write as, in ones place it has 8, no, it is divisible by 2. 2 into 5 to 10, 4, 54. Again its ones place is 2, no, 2 into 27. It is divisible by 3, 27. 3 into 9. 9 is divisible by 3 into 3. 3. Then we have 144. In its units place 4. It is divisible by 2. 2 into 72. 2 into 36. This 36 we can write as 2 into 18. This 18 we can write as 2 into 9. 9 we can write as 3 into 3. 60. 60 in its units place 0, no, it is divisible by 2. 2 into 30. 30 we can write as 2 into 15. 15 we can write as 3 into 5. So now 108 factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 3s are 144. Next 60 we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 108. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 3s are 108. Common factors. Two. These three numbers having 2 is common, sir. 2, this 2, and in this we have 3 3s, in this we have 2 3s, in this we have only 1 3. So common factors are 2 into 2 into 3. So HCF is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is the HCF of 108, 144 and 60. Next LCM. So here these numbers having 3 times. So we are taking only one time 2. Here also 3 2s are there. So we are taking only one time. And 3 is there. We are taking only one time, that 3. And this number we are having 5. And this number having 2 into 2 into 3. And this number having 3 into 3. Now checking once again. Here 2, 2, 3 are common. 2, 2, 3 are common. In this number we have 5 remaining. Here right. Already we wrote here. Then this number having 2 2s and 1 3. And this number having 2 3s. So 3. Now calculate. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 2s are 120, 120 2s are 240, 240 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 240 into 27. Again we are multiplying. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 2s are 120, 120 2s are 240. Here we getting 240. And 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 240 into 27. 7 zeros are 0, 7 4s are 28, 2, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 0, 8, 14, 5, 6. 6, 4, 8, 0. This is the LCM of 108, 144 and 160. Okay, children, do the homework. I will give you homework.